Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting with one of the biggest questions in technology. What is artificial intelligence, or AI? It is a term you hear everywhere, from news headlines to business meetings. But what does it really mean, and why is it so important? Let's break it down. At its simplest, artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include things like understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, solving problems, and even learning from experience. So, instead of programming a computer with every single rule and instruction, AI systems are designed to learn patterns from data and then use those patterns to make predictions or decisions. That's the core difference between traditional software and AI. To make this more concrete, let's look at a few examples of AI in action. When you unlock your phone using face recognition, that's AI. When Netflix recommends a movie based on your past viewing history, that's AI. When self-driving cars detect pedestrians and stop automatically, that's AI too. In fact, AI is already woven into everyday life, even if you don't notice it. Now, AI isn't just one single technology. It is a broad field made up of different subfields. Some of the most important ones include machine learning, where systems learn from data instead of following explicit instructions. Natural language processing, which powers chatbots and voice assistants. Computer vision, which allows machines to understand images and videos. And robotics, where AI is combined with machines to perform physical tasks. The benefits of AI are enormous. It can automate repetitive work, reduce human error, analyze massive amounts of data quickly, and even help us solve problems that were previously impossible, like detecting diseases earlier or optimizing supply chains. But AI also raises challenges and concerns. For example, there are questions about job automation, privacy, bias in algorithms, and the ethical use of AI in society. These are important conversations happening right now as AI becomes more powerful and more widely adopted. So how does AI actually work? At the heart of most modern AI systems are algorithms that process data. You feed the system lots of examples, for instance, thousands of images of cats and dogs, and the algorithm learns the differences between them. Later, when you show it a new picture, it can predict whether it's a cat or a dog. The more data it sees, the better it gets at making accurate predictions. This is why data is often called the fuel of AI. You might also hear about different types of AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task, like recognizing speech or recommending products. General AI, sometimes called strong AI, would be capable of human-level intelligence across many tasks, but this is still a theoretical concept and far from reality. Today, almost all AI in use is narrow AI. From a career perspective, learning AI opens up a world of opportunities. Fields like machine learning engineering, data science, AI research, and robotics are some of the fastest-growing and highest-paying jobs in tech. And as more businesses adopt AI, demand for skilled professionals will only increase. So, to sum it up, artificial intelligence is the science of building machines that can think and act intelligently. It powers technologies we use every day, has enormous potential to transform industries, and is one of the most exciting fields to study and work in today. That's it for today's explainer on AI.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learnitguide.net.